We're going to finish off this garden bed today, clear out some of the unwanted plants, fill it, complete our treated timber wall on the other side, put a rock wall through here. That's all part of completing this whole zone with our block wall. And building this retaining wall has created a central garden area, but we have a little more construction to complete the perimeter of it. I'm attaching the H-bar to the structural part of the deck to lock in these treated timber sleepers. We're leaving the other side open for the moment so we can remove plants and bring in rocks, dirt and gravel. Building dry stone walls is time consuming and can be fiddly. While one side of the garden bed was still open, we're adding this volcanic rock as a base layer. We're now ready to assemble the wall into the holes we've excavated. I'm filling the post holes up to ground height.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.